To find posts you have responded to using your username, firstly navigate to the Reddit website or app. On the Reddit website, first go to the specific subreddit where you believe you made the comment. Secondly, click on the search bar located at the top of the page. Thirdly, type your username into the search bar. Fourthly, select comments from the drop-down menu next to the search bar. Fifthly, click the search button. This will display all of your comments within that particular subreddit. If you wish to search across all of Reddit, omit the first step of going to a specific subreddit. The process is similar on the Reddit app. Firstly, tap on the search icon typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Secondly, tap on the My Posts tab. Thirdly, enter your username into the search bar. Fourthly, tap on the Comments tab. Fifthly, tap the search button. This will then display all the comments that you have made on Reddit. If you have a common name, the search might return a large number of results. To refine your search and find specific comments, consider adding keywords related to the post title or topic alongside your username in the search bar. This will help filter the results and more quickly pinpoint the comments you are looking for. These steps will help you locate your Reddit comments. The search functionality is designed to help you keep track of your activity on the platform. If you are having trouble with the search function, ensure you have the latest version of the Reddit app installed, or clear your browser's cache and cookies if you are using the website. Ensure that you are spelling your username correctly in the search bar, as even a small typo can lead to inaccurate results. If you still encounter issues, the Reddit Help Center offers additional troubleshooting resources. Another tip for effective searching is to use specific keywords related to the content of the post you commented on. For example, if you commented on a post about electric vehicles, searching for your username electric vehicle will likely yield more relevant results than just searching for your username. If you remember any specific phrases or words that you used in your comment, including those in your search can also help narrow down the results. Another thing to consider is the time frame. If you know approximately when you made the comment, you can try sorting the search results by date to prioritize the most recent comments. This can be helpful if you tend to post frequently and want to avoid sifting through older comments. Furthermore, familiarizing yourself with Reddit's advanced search operators can give you even more control over the search process. While not strictly necessary for basic username-based searches, advanced operators can be useful for more complex queries. For instance, you can use the cite operator to limit your search to a specific domain, or the author operator to specifically search for posts or comments made by a particular user. Experimenting with these operators can help you become a more proficient Reddit user. Finally, remember that Reddit's search functionality is not always perfect, and there may be instances where it fails to return all of the relevant results. This can be due to various factors, such as indexing delays or issues with Reddit's search algorithms. In such cases, it may be necessary to try alternative search methods or simply browse through your comment history manually, if feasible. While searching by username is generally the most efficient way to find your comments, it's always good to be aware of other options in case of technical difficulties.